Today I'm back at Mod Cabins in Asheville, North Carolina. There are 3 cabins total on this piece of land. In a previous video, we toured their smaller 1-bedroom unit. Now on this episode, we're touring their larger 2-bedroom unit. It has a very different layout in the interior. It's also actually an Airbnb Plus. So let's go see what this place has to offer. We are back in Asheville, North Carolina this week. It's a really beautiful area. All of these Airbnbs will be linked out in the video description. Also, check out the host website. It's just chock full of information on the local area, and honestly, it's probably the best Airbnb website I've ever come across. Now on to today's cabin tour. You're going to park your car and then begin to walk down this gravel path, and here you are. This is your stunning modern Scandinavian cabin. Absolutely love the exterior. It's just super slick and really eye-catching. Right next to the cabin, there is this little path that leads into the woods, and if we walk down this, it will take you to your own private, secluded riverfront area. It's really a great place to come and disconnect. Now back to the cabin, we're gonna go into the yard behind the cabin, and you'll come first to your fire pit here. This is one of 2 fire pits. It's the larger one. You have plenty of outdoor seating. You can even do some cooking on the fire pit if you want. You have a nice little dining table next to that. You have your hammock. It's a really nice setup here. This kind of gives you a better idea of the entire layout, and my friend Levi here is just kind of hanging out in the hammock. Last but not least, on the exterior, we're gonna walk a little further into the backyard and you will come to your own private and secluded hot tub. There's a fence that runs around it, and here just kind of gives you a better aerial perspective. You can kind of see the hot tub there, the top right-hand corner, and all these trees. The cabin is just really tucked away into the woods. We're now going to begin to head on inside, and we're gonna first start with this covered deck. And dude, why are you always getting in my shots?
Sorry, my bad, man.
Guys, this is Levi. He also does Airbnb tours. We've been hanging out the past few days, shooting some really epic cabins together. But dude, we've been here now for 2 days at this property. Which of the 2 cabins we visited so far do you think you prefer?
I think this one. Let's go check this place out.
Let's go inside. Okay, now I promise we're going to begin to finally head on inside, starting first with this deck, which is one of my favorite aspects of this entire cabin. So we'll get up these stairs and enter into this area, and absolutely love the deck. All the wood paneling, the rug, the kind of ultra modern looking fireplace just really captures your eye as soon as you walk in here for the first time. Of course, I had to get a fire going. Just look at how cool this fireplace looks. And there's plenty of fire starting supplies, everything you might need lined up against that wall. And once you have it going, it's just such a sweet setup. Next, we're still not done with the deck. Right next to the fireplace, there's this little room offshooting that has this beautiful swinging couch. You have all the afternoon light just streaming into this area, and you have a lovely view looking into your backyard. That will do it for the exterior though, so we're going to walk up these steps and go inside. Go inside. Thank you. And we will enter to the interior of your beautiful modern Scandinavian cabin. Welcome to the interior of the cabin. This is what you're gonna see as soon as you walk in. The living room space is there on the left, in the kitchen on the right-hand side. This is kind of a bird's eye view from the loft, just to show you actually how tall the ceilings are, just how open this space is. Let's begin over here on the left-hand side in the living room space though. So you have this cool little table, a very comfortable looking leather seat, your smart TV, this lovely piece of artwork is next to all of that. Now as we pan from left to right, you might notice those cool modern looking light fixtures above your sofa, and also the guest book is waiting for you on the coffee table. Overall, I love this space. You can see Levi here hanging out and watching some Netflix. Let's now head into the other side of the cabin though, starting first with the kitchen. You can see it right here. You have these gorgeous butcher block countertops all throughout this entire kitchen. And if we get a little bit closer now to break down some of the details here, in this corner you have all your coffee, your tea supplies, your toaster, your sink. Also there's some shelves as well up top which house just all of your utensils, glasses, mugs, just everything imaginable can be found here. Let's now get a little bit closer on the left-hand side of the kitchen. You have some more appliances here like your fridge on the far end, also an oven and a large stove top. But this kitchen again is very well stocked. You have no issues staying here for a while. That will do it for the kitchen though. So now we're going to head up top to check out the loft. So Levi is going to lead us up here. Mind your step, the stairs are pretty steep. And here you are, welcome to the loft space. You have 2 twin beds here. Again, this is a 2-bedroom cabin, so it's larger than the one that we toured last week. But this is great for the kids, I think, or another couple. In addition to the beds, you also have some storage chests at the end of each bed. And in this corner as well, you have a comfortable little chair that's right in front of some of the windows. We are back downstairs now. Let's begin by checking out the bathroom. It's a very clean and modern bathroom. You'll notice there's a ton of extra towels waiting for you on top of the toilet, and then you have a cool sink in the mirror right above that. On the opposite end then is your shower. You have some more of those beautiful white subway tiles. You really can't go wrong with those. Now, lastly, in the bathroom, they actually somehow managed to squeeze in a washer and dryer unit, which is always a nice amenity. You also have these cool industrial looking towel racks and even more towels in the top shelf. Let's now walk further down the hallway and enter into the final room in the cabin. And welcome to the master bedroom. The main centerpiece of this room is definitely the very large king-size mattress, really plush. And then in that corner, you have this cool chair with some fur on top of it. Now on either side of the mattress, you have these really neat looking tables and lamps. And if we pan from right to left, you'll spot 2 doors. The door on the left can be slid across for some privacy from the hallway. And the door on the right hand side is actually some closet space. You can store some of your luggage in here. But overall, I definitely love this master bedroom, and that mattress is also super comfortable, so you're well taken care of. Thanks for watching my video tour, guys. Be sure to check out my buddy Levi Kelly's channel if you haven't heard of him. He also does Airbnb tours and shoots some really binge-worthy content. Everything from tiny homes to containers this guy does. So go and check out his channel. Down in the video description, I will link it out. Be sure to leave this video a like if you enjoyed it, and also make sure you're subscribed to the channel. It's the best way to support me. Thanks so much again for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next Airbnb tour.